Testing, testing, one, two, three. All right, everybody, I'm live. Just getting back into streaming, and right now I'm looking at gold's taking a shit right now. Let's just look at the markets for a second. Gonna be just looking at charts, trading on some prop firms, accounts, or just watching. Got a little bit of a dumpage going on here. We got gold. I got my trade rate. Just setting up my charts right now. I did a crypto stream before. Oh, sorry about that. We have gold. Just tapped the zone I drew out before. Let's see. Actually go long on that. Just working on my trade rate chart. What's it? Nikkei. I'm looking at the Nikkei. Oh, come on. Nikkei, gold, and Nasdaq basically. And some currencies like right there, the Japanese yen. NKDM is the contract. I'm just setting up my trade rate. It's 15 minutes. This is 5 minutes here. Okay. I have this comparison. Okay. This. See, gold seems to be moving, and Nikkei is moving. Let's go to a real low time frame. That doesn't look good though. Nishi candles for now. I'll go out to a 5-minute chart. I like the 6-minute, preferably. Let's see. All right, looks like gold. The reason why I drew that level was, so you got pretty much some liquidity here from this candle that went up here. It's popped off there, and let's just take. This is the Nikkei chart on the right. The indicators I'm using are just VWAP. The ATR, let me fix that. And then you have the ATR here on gold. So you took a little dip times 938. I'm gonna stream for like 20 minutes. I'm gonna stream London session for like an hour, and then New York session for like an hour. Getting back on stream, and I'm a little tired right now, but let's see if there's a play on gold or not. Little dip. This is my trade day dashboard. I'm looking for the squawk box, but I don't hear anything coming out. Let's see. This was some of the news. Yeah. Tradeday is a really good prop firm. I'm using Blusky Tradeday, and I have Top Step as well. So anyway, let's see what we got working. Markets are a little slow today. I just I think tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday will definitely be a little more action. I was charting Bitcoin earlier, by the way. See my chart. I had a zone here, just pretty much level, like it's making higher highs and lower lows, higher lows and higher highs on this 15-minute chart. But I'll get away from crypto. I'm also looking at DGen. I'm looking to buy it when it cracks down a little lower, like to this level here. Bounce off the 18. So back to futures. Let's see what we got here. What's this chart here? Okay, so I got side by side 30-minute. All right, it's kind of flat to be honest. We had a little move here, but I'm looking to take some live trades. So I don't know if anybody's interested, but you're in streaming? Yeah, I think I am streaming. Okay. Change it. So my bit rate's too low. Can change that now, right? Alright, so. Alright, what do I want to get? Let's see, so gold here is toying around. We got a low time frame chart here. The Nikkei is toying around. Nikkei is very volatile. I gotta use Aikanishi on Nikkei. I mean, gold's moving a little bit. It's dipping into that box again. Let's see. I mean, with one regular size contract, that's, you know, 2 points, $200, but let's just see my chart here. All right. NASDAQ is so tight right now. Look at this. Look at this. It's garbage. I wouldn't trade that right now. She paid me. Gold's on the downtrend, so maybe this is just gonna. Let's see what this is doing. Trying to see what I should focus on. What about this right here? Whoa, the yen tanked. Let's see the dollar. Gotta minimize all this noise here. Let me get rid of this. I'm just trying to. Oil's not really moving. It's moving a little bit, but nah. RTY definitely not. Nah. Alright, so focus on these 5 assets. Really, the NASDAQ's not moving. I know it will, but let's see what we got here. Let's get this one here. Let's bounce around a little bit. NASDAQ, Nikkei, it's dumped, and now it's going to make a decision what the hell it's going to do. Right? Seems like it's correlated to the yen. Let's see, let's just zoom in. Yeah, look, chart's pretty close, to be honest. So, you know, if you want to trade, you work during the day. If you want to trade at night, like if you live on the East Coast like I do, what I've been realizing is it's really good to look at the Nikkei, even though it's very low volume. Gold moves a little bit, and the yen in futures, not Forex futures. So, you know, Forex isn't even Forex. Forex is terms CFDs. That's a whole topic I won't get into. Just do research. You can trade currency on futures platforms, which, I mean, pull this one up. I'm on Tradeday right now too, just to show you. What's this? I'm gonna add gold. That looks like grab liquidity there, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna add a currency pair, which was this one here. Okay. Japanese yen futures. See, throw an indicator on it for a sec. Doesn't. How many other indicators here? Oh yeah, money flow going down. I do use oscillators and stuff. Let's see. I think gold, if it could hold this level, it may consolidate and go up, but I'm not sure. Okay. Yeah. So it's really between gold, yen, Q. I want to trade in Q so badly. Let's see if I can get small tick movements, you know, like 3-4 points. That's choppy shit right there. Let's see what the Renko says. I have Renko charts on a lower time frame. I do like a 10-second on the Renko. And the white line here is the value area. Point of control, excuse me. It's hovering around a point of control. Let's just see what it does. So I pull it. Taps value area high. What is that? It's only like 4 points in NQ. It's trade a lot of contracts maybe, but Let's just go with this ultra fast scalping right here. So gold is dumped, and let's see, is it making its way back up? Does it want to come back down? And let's just see what this looks like. This is choppy shit. I'm gonna make a video on Tradeday and Blusky. I passed my Blusky 200K static account, and now I'm in a funded account right here. Oop, now we go. My funded account here. I'm down a little bit, but I have 2,000 static, so I lost about 150 bucks. I just gotta make 3,000 in this. So the way I look at these static accounts is more of like, just go for that one nice trade. Don't scalp it. Don't over scalp it. This is my evaluation for Tradeday. It's on sale now. They have a great sale going on. I mean, I'm only barely over break even, but I haven't really traded it that much. Yeah, kind of wanted to get my stream set up tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna do any trades, but so pretty much charts I'm looking at. I have Nikkei. We got gold, the dollar, just to see what's going on with that. Do I have side by side? Yeah. So let's see, we got dollar's rocketing up. I did already. Let's see, let's go zoom out a little bit. Now it's looking like it's hitting a sticky point here, so let's see. Average ATR's average true range for y'all that don't know what it is. Okay. It's good for setting your stop losses and whatnot. Pretty much tells you what amount of percentage is moving the candles. Give me an example. NASDAQ moving 15 points. It's a 15-point range. It's for the last 12 candles. Give or take. Double check that. See. Usually the lower ATR is a little tougher to trade because less volatility. Less volatility. See what crypto's doing real quick again. Crypto's just chopping around. Okay. Alright, so I got my NQ micros on the right hand side. I got my minis on the left. Minis are the big contracts, and micros are the large contracts. So, for those of you that don't know. So I'm gonna use charts over here. So what should I trade? Look how choppy this crap is. This is not ideal trading conditions. I mean, if you're a ultra high frequency scalper, I mean, you're really trading against algos with the NQ right now. Let's see, gold. I got it a little later than I wanted to have my stream set up, but gold made its dip. It's probably gonna just chop around. Let's see if the okay. It's chopping around. I have a line chart on Nikkei because sometimes it's so damn hard to read. Watch, check this out. Little candlestick. This it's all gappy. And this thing's a lot per point. I forgot it's like 10-20 bucks a point, something like that. It's nuts. Maybe more. It moves so damn fast. So my point was I change it to, oh, Hakinishi's a little better actually, yeah. I mean, ideally, if I started a little earlier, obviously, hindsight's you know, a tool that a lot of idiots use on YouTube. But shorting the Nikkei would have been the move, you know, and with like my certain indicators and whatnot, and book map and order flow, I would have seen this. That was the past 2 VWAP. There's a 5-minute chart. You know, as soon as it broke down this line, it wicked up here. You know, it's grabbing liquidity and boom, down. Look how strong these candles are. And it builds a wall. I'll continue to the right. And another. Usually you go in 3 waves. So that's like 1 wave, 2 waves, third fail, and now it's flagging out. So, you know, it's really that. So itchy to trade. It's not feeling like. Not feeling what's the word? Not feeling on point to trade, so I'm just gonna watch price action right now. I think what I'll do is I'll put a chart up here, and I'll do a side by side so you can see 2 charts. Let's see, so instead of doing NQ and NQ, obviously, let's do NQ. Okay. I'll keep my eye on gold too. So, NASDAQ, I drew these boxes a little while ago. Computer's acting up so slow. What's going on with this? It's like delayed. Probably not the best trade on either if it's like this. Streaming, got a couple things going on. That's what it is. Anyway, NASDAQ, it's 30 million on 15. Yeah, I have a delay on my computer. Swag. Anyway, some fun for background. I gotta set up Nightbot on my stream. I got so much to do. But anyway, just figured I'd get the cobwebs out. I haven't streamed in a while. Alright, so gold on a 10-second time frame, which is totally fucking insane. I wouldn't recommend that anyone even look at this chart ever. It's developing value down here at 23.17. 5-minute. So, got a little B shape there. So I would wait to see what happens with this before I make a move. Zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out, as they say. A lot of value here. This whole bracket, 218 to 212, right here. See this? See where my mouse is right here? Right down here. See all this value? Look. See these white lines? That's a point of control, point of control, point of control. So I see no reason why I won't just wick down and chop around. New York Open, London Open, we're gonna have some more movement. That's gold. As far as Nikkei, let's look at that real quick. I'm not scalping this, by the way. I have my Tradeday accounts open, but I'm looking at them and I'm just not trusting any of this movement. All right, so the Nikkei. Excuse me. Drink. Excuse me. The Nikkei is another one. Look at this point. So it's got a break past. Let's see. You can reclaim some value. It's got to break past this line right here. You got point of control there. It's like the line in the sand. If it cracks through that, you know, it's popped up to grab liquidity here, but I'd say like right here would be the next one, 38,300. That's the next sticky point. You got a value area high here, value area low here, value area low here, point of control here, and you got, you know, it's wicking up here and going down. And this is the time it broke out. So if it cracks through 38, 430, 38 400. If cracks do that with, you know, conviction, and maybe let's say it would come down like, do I have a drawing tool here? And let's say it would come down like this, you know, tap up at 400 and then maybe go down. I would look to take a short on a, you know, retrace back up and pull a fib, pull my Fibonacci. I don't have it. Oh, yeah. Come on. So if you're going like this, swing high to swing low, just for temporary purposes. Oh no, did I do that right? Yeah, I did kinda, but you know, I'm gonna say if it hits the level I wanted to hit, let's see, 400, or a little below. So if it goes below, actually no, you know what? This fib's not set up right. I don't even use fibs that much to be totally honest, so let's just cancel that out that way. On a lower time frame, makes sense. See, pull the fib out here. You know, it's building a lot of value here, but I mean, there's no reason why it won't pop up to the 0.5, come down. But Nikkei moves a lot through the Asian session, so we have about 4 hours left of that, 5 hours, excuse me. Nasdaq's not moving. Look, it's in a 6-point range, so I'm done with that. I'm not gonna look at that. Nikkei is moving down, but I'm not about to trade that. It's not something I trade a lot. So what else? ES is also in a very tight range, $1. So nah. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing a video on Blusky and Tradeday and all the prop firms in there. The sales they have going on, there's some really good deals out there, and the whole reason why you want to use that is, I'll get into it in the video, but the whole reason why you would even want to contemplate using them is not to risk all your own money, to start like 20-30 bucks at these accounts, and you know, the reward is getting a withdrawal for a couple $1,000. So, you know, it's something where you can practice, it holds you accountable to rules, and I'm going to do an in-depth video about why I use prop firms, and why I have a cash account, but I do most of my trading on the prop firm accounts. And I'm actually looking back at crypto again too, just so you guys know. There's a couple coins I'm looking at. I'm looking at DGen. I'll zoom out a little bit. I'm looking at DGen, looking at Near, Render, FET. That's obviously AI plays. I got a bunch of other plays, but you know, right now I'll just keep it on the futures. I would always keep my eye on World Token as well. I mean, look, I drew this box a while ago. Not a reason for me to make that up, and you know, it came down 20 cents. That's a decent move. What is that? That's about, I mean, if you took the trade, I don't know, an hour ago, you made like 5%. And then if you use some leverage, even if you use 5x leverage, it's 21%. You know, if you use high leverage, DGen leverage, 50x times 4, what is that, 200%? So, you know, I'm just getting back into crypto, but I'm not really that enticed to do it yet. I'm more into the futures thing right now. But as I keep looking at markets, I'm going to get more comfortable with crypto. All right, gold's hitting the zone. Let's see. And if it cracks through there, I mean, why is this moving so damn slow? Let's see, zoom out more. Just trying to do gold and Nikkei. Just watch both of them right now. Computer's a little delayed. It sucks. Alright, it's 10 o'clock. I think it's about that time. Just wanted to pop on, say hello. Be doing Tradeday and Blusky. I'm going to talk about those. We'll Well, I think they're totally different than all the other prop firms, but not to say don't use the other prop firms. I think variety is good, but also keeping your focus is important. So I'll be doing a video on that. I was going to do it tonight, but honestly I'm going to get up and trade London session because we're going to have some more action for London and for New York. Alright guys, take care.